Hey guys, in this video, we're installing Boost Auto's Cargo and Drive mod, applying to 2022 and newer, refreshed GM 1500 trucks, as well as 2024 and newer, refreshed GM 25 and 3500 trucks. Keeping your cargo lights on while driving has never been easier with Boost Auto's Cargo in Drive mod. Install this mod in just a few minutes, so you can drive with your cargo lights on when you press and hold the cargo light button on your dash. From the factory, these lights cannot be activated while driving, leading to low visibility on your load and surroundings in low light situations. No more towing or hauling loads in the dark. Make hauling cargo safe and easy at night with our Cargo and Drive mod. Now, the lights this mod affects are: number 1, the rear-facing cargo lights on your mirrors, if your mirrors are equipped with these lights. Number 2, your cargo lights on the center high-mounted stop lamps. And number 3, your tailgate cargo. Keep in mind, this video only applies to 2022 and newer refreshed 1500 and 2024 and newer refreshed 25 and 3500 Silverados and Sierras. We do offer this mod for other applications, so to check fitment, availability, and to purchase this or any other products offered for your truck, go to boostauto.com. So your Cargo and Drive kit will come with a relay harness and 4 red T-tabs. And for this install, you'll need the following tools. Alright, let's get into the install. First, disconnect the negative battery cable under the hood. Then remove these 2 trim panels on the driver's side. Under the dash on the driver's side, locate the body control module, or BCM, and the light control module, or LCM. Go ahead and disconnect the black connector on the BCM. To disconnect, first pull down on the white locking tab, then you can press in on the connector tab and pull down the connector to fully disconnect it. This applies to all BCM and LCM connectors. Disconnect also the light purple, blue, and green connectors. Next, take the black connector and cut back some of the tape here to get better access to the wires. Find pin 19 and tap the wire here using one of the provided red T-tabs. With the white tab pointing up, pin 19 is 3 down and 5 over from the left. Then take the purple connector and cut back some of the tape here as well. Find pin 23 and tap the wire here using the provided red T-tab. With the white tab pointing up, pin 23 is on the second row from the bottom, the first on the right. On the blue connector, tap to pin 4. With the white tab pointing up, this is at the top right position. Then on the green connector, tap to pin 7. This is on the second row in the third position from the left. Guys, some trucks will not have a wire at pin 7. If this is the case for you, you don't need to use the 4th T-tab anywhere. Awesome, that's all the tapping out of the way. At this point, take your Boost Auto Cargo and Drive harness and connect the black wire to the T-tab on the black connector and the red wire to the T-tab on the purple connector. Your Cargo and Drive harness also has 2 white wires. They can be connected to the T-tabs on the blue connector and the green connector. If you did not tap to the green connector earlier, you can simply take one of the white wires from the harness out of the way. The white wires are not connector specific, so they can be connected to either connector. Now with the mod installed, go ahead and reconnect all the connectors back to the BCM and LCM. Then install the trim panels back on the truck and reconnect the battery. With your Boost Auto Cargo and Drive mod installed, you can now haul safely and easily in low light situations. Hey, thanks for choosing Boost Auto for your aftermarket accessory needs. The Cargo and Drive mod featured in this video can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We also offer a wide range of products, parts, and accessories for trucks and SUVs. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, that way you can be the first to know about the latest product releases and watch other videos that you'll find interesting. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one.